That's John Lewis and Martin Luther King. The Selma to Montgomery March. That's Thurgood Marshall. All right? That's Thurgood Marshall. Selma to Montgomery. All right? I did the rally there. That's the Supreme Court, 2007. Because I was making a documentary about the courts and the corruption in the courts. Public Accommodations Act. That's Governor Westmore. No one left behind. That's Martin Luther King and Westmore. All right? Keeping the dream alive. That's Vanessa Attenberry. Delegate Vanessa Attenberry. And that's Westmore. See the date, March 27th, 2023. Westmore. All right? This is my second letter to you, Governor of the state of Maryland. All right? Just like the March to Selma, I'm marching for justice. Social media for social change. Y'all charged me with terrorism because I was exposing the corruption in your courts. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. It's February the 2nd, 2011, my mother died from cancer, and y'all charged me with terrorism. That toilet I put in front of the courthouse was about Scott Shellenberger and the money you make off black bodies. Moses parted the Red Sea, Shorty parted some rednecks. I was asking to take black out of America. Just like Marcus Garvey. I was asking to leave America, but I wanted my money. I went to file a $2.5 billion class action lawsuit about the war on drugs. That's your public defender, state of Maryland public defender. You've been selling us like you've been selling slaves, and it's been going on long enough. Yeah. That's the son of the owner of the Baltimore magazine. That's Runners for Justice. That's the toilet in the prison industry and the money you make off black bodies. Like I said, I'm weaving a better Baltimore. So if you contact Westmore today, get this information. It's my intellectual property. I'm making a movie about Baltimore. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. And Westmore got this. I've been to Annapolis. Never mess with a black man's mama. Never mess with a black man's family. That's Westmore and Miss Miller. And that's me. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. Like I said, Thurgood Marshall and the courts. All right? The 13th Amendment. That's Governor Hogan and me. Governor Hogan makes $500 million a year off of free inmate labor. See that? That's Shorty, the program. And I gave you social, economic, political, medical, environmental members needed. I gave you careers, not jobs. Visual and performing arts, political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, law, sports, and cultural exchanges. I gave you a program to uplift the inmates in the en masse incarceration. That's Brother Insurance. I own me, and I was insured for $1 million, and y'all never paid that policy off. That's Eric Holder. That's Jane Miller. That's Larry Hogan. That's the IRS. And that's Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake. Yeah, we ain't gonna leave you out the picture. These are the cases. I never got a trial. You feel me? I never got a trial. All right? And that's the date, February the 2nd, 2011. States Attorney's Office. City, county, state, and federal levels. That's Governor Hogan. That's a legal notice. All right? That's a legal notice. I never got a trial. That's President Obama, Senator Obama, asking for an investigation. 2008. All right? You got that. Paperwork is in order. I own me. I'm a free black man. I own all parts of me. And I was making a documentary about the Democratic Party. Get Shorty. You see that? Dwayne G. Davis, 11950 Falls Road. Get Shorty, Governor O'Malley. I'm keeping the dream alive. You feel me? I'm keeping the dream alive about Martin Luther King. Traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made us the cash crop. My son ain't for sale. I can't breathe. We're going to address being black in America. We're going to address and make our delegates address that. You feel me? Like I said, I'm weaving in Baltimore, weaving the social fabric. Just like Martin, just like John Lewis, good kind of trouble.